kureba umurinde. Teacher, mwetesa, nyetesa, Yesu, mwetesa, ningenda mushane nende. Teacher, mwetesa, nyetesa, Yesu, mwetesa, ningenda mushane nende. Ngenda kweteraho bingi nanye, manya ko twaza, okobo mucurezo kokunda, kandi okasasira abantu. Ngenda mushane niwe mitwe, obucureza amagezi n'oburyo, n'ekyo rukundo tine rwangu kipe. Ngenda mushane niwe mitwe, obucureza amagezi n'oburyo, n'ekyo rukundo tine rwangu kipe. Mwetesa, teacher, mwetesa, nyetesa, Yesu, mwetesa. The whole song is being inspired by Jesus. Yesu okuba okusomesa kyasiizeeyo. You know, in the Bible it says, look at me and be saved. Like Jesus is the greatest example we can look at, and like he came, he stayed in this flesh within, naye nakwolebisanyusa taata we kitaawe Katonda. So if we are to look unto Jesus, we'll be the best students ever.
So
passing.
simply that is what the song means.
Simply that.
Now, ndatogerera ku video there. You have a very nice video. Well scripted, well acted, the actors, the story, the whole story. Kuko kujeshongora ni kuri video. And you know tugambere no wakwandikiye script, no audio producer, no video producer. Ukajishutingira mpe. Video kajishutingira muri Baro mu Kibuga and Mbarara City. Then Alos is a guy from Kampala, some very good guy. Alos video, some production. Video they have like a company. Oh,
company, Alos. It is Alos production. Yes. Now, then the script was written. Some friend of mine, not really a friend but a fan, like he had this Runyako the first week it was out, the audio. Nati ulia nagamba, oh my God, this Munyankore, oh I showed this song. Then Nanonya Esuya, she called me and she was like, Julie, this is a very rich audio. It needs a rich video. Please, couple of videos, we need to sit down and write a script for you. Hemogama Mama, I'm in your hands. She's a big lady also in the industry of music, at the same time production on a certain TV. So she was like, we need time, sit down and write a script for your song. I was like, please, I'm in your hands. So now Tura was, she's called Emily Chikazu.
Hey,
Emily Chikazu, she's just nice. And she wrote all this, the script. After listening to the audio, she was excited about it. And she was like, nice song, Julie. We need to work on its video.
So what is the target? Like video na kujikora na ina abantu bakagituza in the soul, in kushanguru kadumu na kama the teacher. So what is
now,
the target?
According to the song, the whole story is emotional. Ourselves and learn from Jesus, teacher. It is all about you. We need to learn about
you. Answer.
Yeah, yes. And as you see in the video, there is where some lady brought her blind daughter. And sometimes there is this vibe. Come. But when you see onto video, like you know, teacher must be Jesus and doing things, great things. Teacher, mwetesa, nyetesa, Yesu, mwetesa, ninyenda mushane nende. Teacher, mwetesa,
wow, then now it's trending. It's like, you know, who taps and it is trending everywhere. You are now like, yes, we have it now.
God. Oh God, it is humbling, first of all, like, oh God, who am I? Zani, Konka, Osimarahang. And then I have myself as a Kamasikomao, Sala Chisinga Kwecho, Oludako, Bemanfulumia, Fulmia Chitunga Chinene, I think I Chisinze Kokuchino. The last time you had me on the interviews, I had Tochi Muhuku. It was also very good and he's still doing good. Yes, he's still doing good up to now. Tochi Muhuku, Nakweto mwana mubana oyo mwana we, tori tena kantu, ebyensi nebikura bino mungalo ze. Tochi Muhuku, Nakweto mwana mubana oyo mwana we, tori tena kantu, ebyensi nebikura bino mungalo ze. Naye ndiwe wabuziro garukota etata nakwakira omunju ya tata harimu omwanya gwawe nakwetiwe naye ndiwe wabuziro garukota etata nakwakira manyori omwana we Tochiri Muhuku nakweta omwana omubana oyo mwana we tori tena kantu. Then when I was planning to get to bring out teacher, I thought about it. This should be Wagulu Pop sing at Tochiri Muhuku, and that is it.
So Judy, then Arechina Iraku. First of all, good thing or Rimueleza, I told you. Naichin Chimo Chiviri Deco, I Babos, Arechon, the Takambra Monga, it's money. Churches we never consider pastors, bishops, baha, binets omwana na arganka kama are kaptere za kuyamba. Agar kaya batamubiri wa dekatwa. Ati mara performing atacho na semero kwa bantu bachira uri amutera mu kama perezida. Ahabune cyo mutine cyo kugira ngo bose y'abantu biza kuba yabo kushinga yo music ministry. Ahabune cyo musigara mu kama kureza mu dende chindi yero bwako mu kiba affecting you kita
amazimagari cyo kushanga music etape yondera iwan finances koko awachikambireho ekitufu kiri nti somehow abasumba apart from rising you ne wezula mto inekirabo nga kino kyenina, but when someone starts up the journey it's too hard for a person to come and like you know, you never know. I think time is coming, they will do that, we are praying for that. By the way, God pray to where we all Sweden, those that is coming, will first beg. Naenga cha begging da chintu cha amanya limida wali okuwereza ekisane kika. I know. Naye avudewo bamufuye omutwalo ekabala kutaga mitwalo esatu ena teziweze. Oh my God! So really, that is a big challenge. That is a big challenge.
So what is your special message to now? Talk as an artist.
Now,
abasumba bano abantu abatiyita okuweereza bakole batya?
Kiringa omuntu okumpita mu lukungaana kisoro. Zuli, yeah, someone called me by the way. Can you imagine?
Vision night or a house of prayer.
House of prayer.
Now start the first vision night.
Zuli, come and minister. I'm excited, come and watch you. Say, one, facilitate me. And it is over. Facilitation. We don't need salary. Sisimbula mbalala nga tontelede kwa kakade kusimu yange. Usually we don't do that. So if you do it, but many of us we don't do that. We have the matter. So when you invite me on such a big function, I expect facilitation. At least my accommodation should be catered for, my transport should be catered for. Mbawa kanange ndeke yo kutoke ngumanyinge da fula yo wakande senga wali save things like that. Ekituufu kiri nti abasumba baffe ekyomwoyo bakituwadde 100%, but wire ebyomwoyo you're not lacking, tetutoma titulina ekitubuzira byomwoyo, but when it reaches to our gifts nga omuntu ali kuvaayo mbadde nsaba abasumba baffe, when you spot out omuheereza owaalegayo alina ekirabo ekikwenda kumukwata mukono, please temutugobera wabweru. Don't give, instead to say gospel yolozalagawa, she has a good voice, she has a gift in her, but church never support its ministers. I'm asking other pastors, praise, support us, mutukwate kumukono, tugeyo tuweleze katonda mumanyi, tuyimuke kyosobola in any way. Now omusumba bwova inoga Julie sponsoring the video, the next video, the next audio. Yeah, they support jetusaba bingi.
Julie nisaba abantu mwena abantu but your special message to your fans.
My special message to my fans, the best is yet to come. Tukyali mu lugendo, the struggle continues, and I believe every other day God gives me, I'm bringing you the best. Think awire ndibona atandika starting nakatandika kufumba ebintu bigenda awoma mu maaso awo nga biyitirivu. So mugumize muni mukunda, mugumize muni following our channel yanje, subscribe to my channel, bakwenda music yanje, you download and get audios, get videos, and you'll be blessed. I told you I'm married. Yes, I'm married. So esimu zarenga shaisha kuzetiro, like calls beyond 9 p.m. ezezo niziba zikora kubomba kagaze ningo mushinja wanje. So my number is 0772 262735. Yes, it's on WhatsApp. We can as well chat on WhatsApp. And God bless you. Can't them 0772 2627 35 no gamba nanye zoni Soki.
Give them a Christmas message.
A Christmas message. I tell them, I encourage them, our viewers, please enjoy responsibly. Enjoy responsibly. You want to enjoy, make sure Jesus is Lord in your heart because you're celebrating the birth of Jesus. Take away, make sure you have Jesus in your heart and enjoy responsibly. COVID is still real and it still kills. Thank you so much. Nasgandi Julie Soki Kamwesije Kuruga Mbarara City.
My name is Godfrey Mwebaze. Bantu mwinjiriza basibure. Muza YouTube Mwebaze Godfrey. Muza Facebook Mwebaze Godfrey's post. We are over 150 viewers and followers. So nimbasaba mwe yongereyo the victor nataka kugira ngo gospel music is full of life.
Oh yeah.
Let's lift Jesus through music, gospel music, n'injiri. So munchide mbasibure. Musibeje murare jya bakuturebera heru abo mu Uganda ze chaha musibeje mazina ganyine Godfrey Mwebaze kandi nanyine kazungu akamera n'abasibure.
Abanda bashomesa ne bashaba school fees. Otine sente na binti wa hagati. Nyendo nyakiro mwishomero lyawe jweka digwiriye migisha yawe ebindangore byonna bitsiraka kwate niwe. Nyendo nyakiro mwishomero lyawe jweka digwiriye migisha yawe ebindangore byonna bitsiraka kwate niwe. Wendesa